Welcome students of class 12th commerce. In our business study syllabus for class 12 today my topic is to discuss regarding Securities and Exchange Board of India CB. Dear students, the Securities and Exchange Board of India was established as an interim administrative body on 12th April 1988 by the Government of India. Its main objective was to promote orderly and healthy growth of securities and to provide protection to the investors. The Ministry of Finance of the Government of India has overall administrative control over its functions. On 30th January 1992, it was given a statutory status through an ordinance, which later was replaced by Act of Parliament known as Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. CB, Securities and Exchange Board of India, is considered as watchdog of the securities market. Dear students, during 1980s there was tremendous growth in the capital market due to increasing participation of public. This led to many malpractices like rigging of prices, unofficial premium on new issues, violation of rules and regulations of stock exchange, and listing requirements, delay in delivery of shares, etc., by the brokers, merchant bankers, companies, investment consultants, and other involved in the securities market. This resulted in many investor grievances because of lack of proper penal provision and legislation. The government and the stock exchanges were not able to redress these grievances of the investors. This necessitates a need for a separate regulatory body, and hence Securities and Exchange Board of India was established. The main objective is to create such an environment which facilitates efficient mobilization and allocation of resources through the securities market. This environment consists of rules and regulations, policy framework, practices, and infrastructure to meet the need of three groups, which mainly consists of the market, that is issues of securities companies, the investors, and the market intermediaries. The main objective of CB, Stock Exchange Board of India, is number first, protection, to guide, educate, and to protect the rights and interests of the investors. Number second, competitive and professional, to make the intermediaries like merchant bankers, brokers, etc., competitive and professional by regulating their activities and developing a code of conduct. Third objective of CB is to prevention of malpractices, to prevent trading malpractices. And number fourth objective is balancing, to establish a balance between statutory regulation and self-regulation by the securities industry, and also to promote orderly functioning of stock exchange and securities industry by regulating them. Functions of CB, Stock Exchange Board of India. The functions of CB can be divided into three parts, that is regulatory functions, development functions, and protective functions. What is regulatory functions? Regulatory functions of CB are number first, registration of brokers and agents. It registers brokers, sub-brokers, transfer agents, merchant banks, etc. Notifications of rules and regulations. It notifies rules and regulations for the smooth functions of all intermediaries in the securities market. Levying of fees. It levies fees, penalties, and other charges for contravening its directions and orders. Regulator of investment schemes. It registers and regulates collective investment schemes and mutual funds. CB prohibits fraudulent and unfair trade practices. It undertakes inspection and conducts inquiries and audit of stock exchange. It also performs and exercise such power such under Securities Contracts Regulations Act 1956 as have been delegated to it by the government of India. Now, second part of function of CB is development function. Development function of CB are: number first, training to intermediaries. It promotes training of intermediaries of the securities. Promotion of fair trade. It promotes fair trade practices by making underwriting optional. And research. It publishes information useful to all market participants for conducting research. Number third part of function of CB is protective functions. Protective functions of CB are: number first, it prevents insider trading. It does so by prohibiting insiders such as directors, promoters, etc., to make profit through trading of securities using confidential, price sensitive information. Number second, prohibits fraudulent and unfair trade practices. It prohibits fraudulent and unfair trade practices in the security market, such as price rigging and sale of purchase of securities through misleading statements. It promotes fair practices. It promotes fair practice and code of conduct in the securities market. For example, it looks after the interests of the debenture holders in terms of any mid-term revision of interest rates, etc. It educates the investors through campaigns. That's what this was all about the CB, Stock Exchange Board of India, its functions and objectives. And I will meet you tomorrow with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.